Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Infinite Scroll Widget, a great way to enhance your store's browsing experience by automatically loading more products as customers scroll down. Accessing the widget. To access the Infinite Scroll Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Infinite Scroll. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Infinite Scroll. Here you can customize all settings. Choose between Endless Scroll or Endless Click. Endless Click loads more products only when the customer clicks a button. Endless Scroll automatically loads more products as the shopper scrolls down. Button Label. Customize the labels shown to your customers. Example, load more. Button. Choose the button look that fits your store. Link. Displays as plain text, simple and subtle. Default. Uses your theme's built-in button design. Solid. Bold and filled for strong visibility. Outline. Minimalist style with just a border. Size. Select the box and button size. Inherit. Follows your theme's default sizing. Small. Compact and less intrusive. Medium. A balanced size, recommended for most stores. Regular, for maximum visibility. Loading image, endless scroll only. Upload a custom loading icon, or the default one will be used if left empty. Adjust these settings based on how you want your customers to explore more products seamlessly. And that's it. Your Infinite Scroll widget is ready. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify theme.